Hello, can you hear me? Ram Cake. Hello, hello. Hello, Ram. Probably you need to re-log in. I can't hear you.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Mohammed. How are you?
Good, you?
Good, sir.
Very good. Let's begin. You want to share your screen? Probably. That will make
Sure.
sense.
Yeah, definitely I'll do that in a second. I was just remembering, Mohammed, today, like one important topic we didn't cover was security, right? Filters, how to set up security and all that.
Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that in the
Oh, when we do the lab. Okay.
yeah, we'll do it in the practicals. Practicals, yeah. I remember that.
Okay, got it, got it. Okay, so I don't know if you can see my screen.
Can already see it. Yeah.
So here's the thing, Mohammed. So today afternoon I was trying to do those exercises, right? You can help me. So cube, right?
Okay.
Then I just started this morning, and then I was trying to go through the exercises and create quarter one, quarter two. But there's something I got stuck, and they've
Okay.
given me admin access to the server. As you can see, all the databases here, right?
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
for some reason I cannot open this. I just in the morning it was working, so I was able to do a child and all that. I don't know whether I have to recreate the outline or I don't know what I'm doing wrong here.
No, I mean, it's okay. Go to the outline, right click on the outline on the left hand side on the navigation pane and select
Okay.
edit.
That's the menu we are in.
Okay.
But I'm not able to open this thing, expand this thing.
Hmm.
I mean, do you want me to just delete this and just try to create it again and see?
Yeah. Yeah. Delete it on the top. Yeah.
Delete, right?
Yeah, delete.
So is it, so
Oh.
should I?
Yeah, you need to unlock it. Who is it? Who's that user?
That's me, BALASR.
Yeah, unlock. Now try. Now try editing the outline.
But I used to get this menu active, right? So let's say even if I
Yeah.
wanted to go, accounts are not able to get this menu active.
Okay. So try deleting now.
This is like an admin task to unload the database.
Okay, log off and re-log in again.
Okay, how do I log off? Like
Just exit.
file exit?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm remote RDCing in here, so the response time might be.
That's okay.
The whole thing is like locking.
Yeah, let's just wait until it exits and then re-log into the console.
But it won't. It'll just be like this.
It doesn't log you off?
No. I mean, the only way I can restart the whole thing is like I can go back here, right? Oh, right. Okay, there are 3 sessions right here.
Yeah, maybe that's why.
Oh. But I'm not able to kill any of them.
That's interesting. Try in one of the sessions. Try editing the outline. Are all the sessions grayed out?
Yep. Maybe I should ask my admin to clear it. I think he's offline. So. How about we just create another one like
Try creating another database.
the whole thing is
It's not responding.
okay. Maybe I'll give him a quick call now and then see if he can reset the sessions or log. I mean, he can
Try
go
that.
in and kill those sessions.
Okay.
So let me disconnect for like 2 minutes, Mohammed, and then I'll come back on.
No problem.
Just the phone. I'll be online.
No problem.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, unfortunately, I'm not able to reach him. But I think I can, like, if I do this, start the EAS again, right? I can start another session. And maybe
Try that.
let me try that. Okay. I think what had happened was initially he hadn't given me admin access, and then maybe we thought that was the reason I'm not really able to edit the outline. And so he gave me the admin access like late evening, but I think we had some sessions hanging there. I don't know, maybe that caused me all those problems.
Yeah. Okay.
Actually, now that I'm an admin, I can create my own application, right?
Yeah.
Is it a database or an?
Try deleting it first.
I don't think it's going. Oh, this whole thing, RKBSO.
That's the one you created, right?
Yep. So did I delete the application?
Yeah. Try that.
Oh, okay, so that worked. Oh,
Okay.
did it?
Now.
It could not be deleted.
Edit. Unlock and then edit. It's locked basically. That's why you're not able to do it.
Okay.
The admin has to unlock it for you.
Okay.
Okay, so try creating a new application. Just forget about this.
Create new database, right? Under this, so he actually created a like RK on the BSO application for me, and then so that's how so we're creating a new database, right?
Okay, now name it as BigCorp. That's the name, right? So you were supposed to name.
Actually, in the exercise, it asked me to rename it as sales.
Does it?
Yeah.
Let's go to the.
Let me open it up.
Yeah.
I actually wanted to do everything before the class today, and then I got.
No, I understand. That's why I said do as much as you can. I know how things go. AG, activity guide, yeah.
Yeah, so I had this open actually. Here you go.
Okay, very good. Application name should be BigCorp. However, he named it as RKBSO. That's okay. Look, okay, you have the host. The database name, yeah, sales. Sorry. And it's a name. It's a normal one. It's not a currency. Okay, good. I guess it will not because there is, what does it say? Failed to.
Sales already exists. Oh, maybe a duplicate name. Should I just give this one?
Sales one, yeah.
Or does it accept a space?
Sales underscore BigCorp.
Okay.
What is it?
It has a limit of 8 bytes in a non.
Yeah, 8 bytes. It cannot be more than that. Yeah. So these are the things which you learn, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sales BC. How many characters does it get to?
No, it worked.
Okay.
Sales BC, yeah.
Now create an outline. Close the other window with the outline editor. Close that. Close everything in the panel. Okay. Yeah. Now edit. Okay. Now create.
Let me close some windows I don't need. Sorry.
Yeah. So you need how many at the moment? 3?
We're adding 3 dimensions.
Yeah.
Near float, accounts, and scenario. So this is
Yeah.
the one you were talking about, right? The most dense comes in the top, or
The most dense come on the top. Yes.
oh, like add child, or
You can move it later. So start creating the dimensions, and then you can move it later.
okay.
So you need to pen it down first. However, we are doing it as we go, so that's okay.
Right.
So create whatever you can, and then we can move it.
So do I do like add child?
Yeah, actually.
Okay. Just paste to.
So the parent is Yatot.
Yes, paste to, right?
You can have underscore.
Okay. Oh, should. Okay. It allowed me actually to create it with that.
It's always better to avoid the spaces.
Okay. Oh, I think it removed that space and
Okay.
it got it got rid of the spaces.
So just underscore. Yeah. Okay, very good. Now that's the parent. Under that you have a child. That's right. Add a child. And then a sibling. Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah, the only reason I know is I was able to get this far in the first cube and then first sales database, and then I ran into those problems.
Yep, that's okay.
No, add a sibling, right?
Yeah. Do you have it on the sheet, on the PDF?
Yeah. Right now it says this, and then the next step it's saying.
Okay, go for them. Yeah, go for them. Yeah, go for them.
So here it automatically assigns that plus operator, right?
Yeah, it's by default plus, always plus.
Oh, okay. So any dimension is always plus.
By default, it's a plus consolidation operator. But if you may want to change it, you go into the properties and change it.
Got it.
Beautiful. You're doing it just fine. Yeah.
Yeah, I should thank my my admin buddy there. He was able to hook me up with the, because you were saying it was a pain, right, to get it all set up if we didn't have all this, right? Getting
it's a big deal to have this set up, believe me.
And he's going to hook me up with the planning too. The only thing he couldn't help me was the planning on the cloud.
Oh, okay, that's okay.
But the concepts are similar, right, for cloud and host on-premise or hosted.
Yeah. So the what comes with cloud is you will have a complete solution in cloud.
Okay.
But in on-premise, it's basically you don't have that sort of solution. You'll
Okay.
have lots of forms, inbuilt calculation scripts. There are lots of
Sure.
things on cloud. Here you don't have it. So that's
So
the
what is
difference.
all that your friend is going to cover?
He's going to cover the whole. I mean, he can do cloud for you. He can do premise for you. That's okay.
Okay. Now
He's good at both.
what is your suggestion? If I won't be able to get the cloud version here. So does it make sense for me to learn the theory for the on-premise and then do something like this, or does it make sense for me to just watch the cloud thing?
Um, the logic is same. However,
Okay.
the whole feel is different on cloud.
Okay.
So yeah, I mean, if you're learning it, why don't you go with the updated one? You,
Right.
you
The
can
only I
you
wouldn't
can
be able
have
to.
a word. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
No, I'm saying the only drawback is I wouldn't have like hands-on live exercises like this, right? That's the only.
I guess he won't be able to take you through the cloud as well. Reason being, he won't have that set up as well. So I
Oh,
think on-premise will do.
okay. Now, is cloud like the latest? How long has it been there? Like,
It's been there for more than a year now.
oh, okay. So it's kind of new, so that everywhere. Okay.
Yeah, new. It's new. So people are moving to cloud. Yeah.
Got it. Okay. Okay. So now, should I just do a quick save?
Yeah, save it. It's always good to save.
Okay. So now we have completed this thing, right? So now I'm going to add the scenario, right?
Yeah, go ahead. No, yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
So create a sibling of this, right?
Yeah, it's at the same level, right? Yeah,
Yep.
you're doing just fine.
Okay. Thanks. So current space, current underscore, or should I just leave it as current here and it'll take?
No,
Looks
you
like,
have underscore.
oh, there. No, I don't see any underscore here.
You can yeah, you can have it, but that's okay. Yeah, it's always better to have underscore.
Okay. Let me just rename this.
Underscore.
Oh, so yeah. So here also underscore act versus budget. Oh, okay.
Okay, so there is something which you need to observe here, okay?
Sure.
The consolidations happening or the roll-up happening in the scenario. Now, do you really need the roll-up in scenario? That's a question.
Very good. Yeah, very good observation. No, we don't need it because we're not. It doesn't make sense to have a,
Absolutely.
like a roll-up.
So what can you do here? You just have to ignore it, right? So
Yeah,
tilde,
yeah.
tilde.
So okay, that's a good point. So does it come in the exercise, or should I? Or is it just like a thing for me to keep in
I
mind?
don't know if that's covered. It's just my observation. Here it is. Yeah, change the consolidation operator. Very good. Very good.
Oh, okay. So you're just changing. Well, but I thought we're just changing it for scenario, right? Oh, okay. I see what you mean. So even so, but why are we putting it? I see. Okay. There's no point in consolidating current year or prior year, right?
Yeah.
Change the consolidation to tilde. Calculate ACK versus BIRD using shared members.
Yeah, I'll explain that. So for now, just change the consolidation operator to
For
tilde.
all the okay.
For all the members.
So this one would be edit properties.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe it's right here. Oh, maybe it's here right now.
Just go to the properties.
Okay. Oh, here someone.
Go to scroll down. It's the storage type.
Storage type. Here? Oh, here?
No. So that's basically setting the storage type.
Okay.
Go to some member. No, not there.
Maybe it's
Scroll
somewhere at
up.
the top.
No. Just
Attribute calculation.
no, that's not the one. Okay, hang on. Okay, go to the outline.
Oh, maybe this one here. Oh, that's a minus, right?
There it is on the top.
Oh, there it is. Okay.
Yeah.
This. So even for the parent?
Yeah. Nothing is consolidating. It's ignore.
Okay.
Okay, now if you go to this and take a look on the activity guide. Under the variances, under the actual versus budget, he is using current year.
Okay.
And then the budget. I mean, these values are these members are being shared. If you look at the hierarchy, or if you look at the dimension on the top, you have current year.
I don't know if I created a current year. Oh, yes, scenario. Yes.
You do. Yeah. So under the scenario variances, actual versus budget.
Oh, I see what's
happening. The variance is basically having the current year minus the budget, right?
Got it. Yeah. So you're just doing the current year this minus budget.
Right. So the current year on the top is the stored member. However, the current year in the bottom is the shade member.
Right.
Yeah.
So should I go ahead and do it?
Yeah, go ahead. I just wanted you to wanted to explain that. Another child. Yeah.
So if I just type current underscore year, will it know it's shared, or I have to
type current and so let's see. Type current underscore year. And then you select the current year and mark it as shared. No, it's on the top somewhere. No, not there, on the right hand side. Store, never share. After that, what is it? Label, dynamic cal, and then shared member. Yeah. Yeah. Budget. And mark it as shared, and then that's a minus, right? Because it's yeah, beautiful. Current year. Again, it's a shade member. You can change it later, yeah. Beautiful. Check.
Verify?
Yeah, verification is, yeah, go ahead and verify.
What does that thing do, verify? Oh, I mean,
basically, it's, yeah, it will check if there are any errors.
Okay, got it.
So wait. So actual versus forecast.
Oh, okay. So he's doing a combination of shared member and formula, right?
Correct.
Oh. No. What was the? I know we covered this like maybe 2 weeks ago. There are pros and cons of using shared members versus formula, right?
On the shade members, you cannot have a member formula.
Okay.
But
Okay. Oh, yeah.
it's not a shade member, right? It's a dedicated member, actual versus forecast.
Right.
On the shade member, no member formula.
Member.
Moreover, your shade member has to be a child or ancestor, basically, ancestor of your. Okay, the shade member is always, sorry, how do I say? The stored member is always the ancestor of the shade member. You cannot have the shade member on the top and the stored and the same stored member on the bottom. So it's always on the top. That's something which you need to take care of.
So here, let me go ahead and remove this, right? And then I'll create the formulas.
Yeah, it's better. Let's do it the same way. I mean, your logic is just fine. It's just that they are using the member formula, that's all.
This one now, member formula. Where do I do this one? This one?
Yeah. You have to type it in the properties, I guess. Member formula. Scroll up. Where is it? Hang on. Oh. There should be. Did you go to properties?
Yeah, this is the property screen.
There should be member formula in there. Don't you see anything? No, not there. It's under properties. Go to edit member properties.
I don't know, edit member properties is probably this thing here.
I think it's highlighted now. It's highlighted now. The one on the top, member formula.
On the top here.
Yeah.
But that's not working.
What's the next one, which is right next to the member formula? Okay, select that. I don't know. There should be a box opened. Save that.
Sorry?
Yeah, save it.
Go back to this one.
Yeah, I mean, save it and close the window and
Got it.
edit the outline. Crazy. I think it's being opened in another. When close view? No, there is only one. So close this. Yeah, try to open it again.
Oh, not that same problem again.
Or is it unlock it? Try unlocking it first.
Okay.
Is it stuck?
Right.
This is crazy.
Yeah, the same thing. I was able to create the 3 members. Then I, stepped out for lunch and came back and tried to finish it.
Okay. It's just that you have more than one session, right? That's why it's not allowing you.
Lobby session.
There is a there in the property grid, basically for member formula.
Okay.
So when you double click it, or there is how do I say?
I'll try to open like another outline and seeing it,
Check. Slow down, slow down. I think it. No. Scroll a little up. Up. Okay. This is crazy. Now pick some member actually.
I'm not able to open any of these.
Open any of that. I think
Maybe
there
I'll
will be
administrator tomorrow. Then I think it's more some admin issue, right?
yeah, I guess yes.
Some security filters.
Yeah.
Yeah, unfortunately, I don't think we can do anything, right?
I mean we cannot move forward. However, once you get a chance, probably once you get rid of this issue, then you can In the properties, you'll have the member formula in the tab.
Okay.
Then you will have you'll have 3 dots next to it. Okay.
Okay.
When you click those dots, you will get a window where you need to type the formula.
Okay. So let me. I'll talk to him tomorrow and give it a shot, and then I'll try to go through. Complete a few. Like maybe.
Yeah.
You want me to do what till 3.4 or 5 or?
Do as much as you can.
Okay.
I mean, if you're able to get over it, it's
Sure.
nothing better than that, right?
No, absolutely.
Yeah.
And
I don't want to disturb your flow. So do as much as you can, and then
Okay.
we can,
Yeah, I'll do it, and then I'll try to get as much as I can. And then I know obviously, we cannot go through all the 260 pages, but hopefully we can hit the big ones.
Yeah.
As we go along. Yeah.
I mean,
And then
with the speed you are going, I think we can cover it all. It's
Sure.
just that it needs you on the top of it. That's all.
Right. If I can figure this technical issue out, I think I can move a little faster.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Perfecto. Now you basically today you are able to understand where to use ignore, where to use the consolidations, and then where to insert the member formulae.
Right.
Yeah. And then if you are okay with it, then the things come on when we go to YTD, QTD, all these type series.
Yeah, no, that's very actually, it's slowly coming together.
Yeah, it will. I mean, after 2 more classes, you will feel better, a lot better, actually.
Okay, excellent. No, that's good progress today.
Yep. Okay, so I think we can end the session today.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much, and I will log in tomorrow, hopefully with all these issues behind me.
Yeah, sure. Okay.